Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Momiang, and in today's video we are going to do my cleaning of my kitchen. It's been 2 days since I cleaned my kitchen. I'm just cooking and putting the utensils at the sink. So today we are going to do my kitchen cleaning and decluttering. I have a lot of plastic that I'm not using. I can't tell why I keep them. I don't know. I can't justify myself, but I don't know why I keep plastics in my house. So today I'm going to close my eyes and throw them because it is not my norm to throw things away. I usually see as if I will need them tomorrow, but as I can see, they're just filling my kitchen for no reason. So relax and watch and be motivated by this. Please subscribe, please. So let me show you how the kitchen looks like at the moment so that you can understand what I'm saying. My cooker is so dirty, very extremely dirty. Those things up there, they're plastics, imagine. See what pressure cooker did to my ceiling. I love separating my utensils. If it is cups, only cups that I'm washing. If it is plates alone, spoons, like that. I follow that order while cleaning my utensils. I love washing my sink before washing the utensils. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button. At least let's grow and reach 100 subscribers. Am I the only one who rinses my plates before washing? Comment down below if you do it or not. I thought of cleaning my dish rack. It was a little bit dusty. Plastic. I think I'm supposed to be called Mama Plastic now. Time to declutter has come now. Let's get going. See how dirty it is up here. I usually wonder how these shelves become dirty. Do you? I had to paint to clear up this patch, at least a little bit. I don't know how to paint. This part was too oily. I didn't realize how much plastic I had in my house. I think I was keeping them for my next generation. Or what do you think? At this point, I was so hungry, tired, exhausted, you name it. I had to eat rings because I had not even prepared lunch. I felt like fainting. If at this point if people were eaten, I could have eaten somebody. More snacks. Are you ready to see the outcome after the cleaning? Drum beats.